Hey guys, Treasure Bone here. Today I'm going to do some air tests with my Garrett AT-Pro. The way this is set up is I have a board here that I measured out from 1 inch all the way out to 16 inches. And we're going to take some various targets and see how the AT-Pro responds to those targets and what it reads and also how it reads it. So these are the targets. We have a 1941 Silver Mercury, a Clad quarter, copper penny, a nickel, a modern pull tab, and a bent iron nail. Now if we come over to this side, we have a silver Roosevelt dime and a piece of iron on the back side. So we're going to do silver with an iron masking. And then we've got the copper penny in the older round type pull tabs. The AT-Pro is set on 0 discrimination. Iron discrimination is 0, and it's set in the Pro mode. Sensitivity is set at 6 bars, which is the highest I could set it inside the house where it wasn't picking up a bunch of electrical interference. You can hear that it is chirping occasionally. We can deal with that. The way I'm going to do this is it's set up with a board that I've drawn out that has 1 inch increments from 1 inch to 16 inches. And we're going to pass various targets over the top of it. First one is going to be the 1941 Silver Merc. We'll start off at 1 inch.
82 at 2 inches.
2 inches.
83 at 4.
Yep, 83 right at 4.
There's 4 inches.
Yep, 82 at 4.
5 inches.
82 at 6 inches.
We'll go 6 inches now.
82 at 8 inches.
We'll go up to 7 inches.
And that's reading 80 at about 10.
And we'll try 8 inches.
That was at 78 at 8 inches.
Okay, we'll go to 9 inches.
It wasn't coming up.
Okay, we were getting an audible, however, the visual scope was not picking up. You can hear at 9 inches, we're getting an audible but no visual.
Yep.
Okay, so let's try 10 inches. So at 10, looks like we're still getting faint audible, but no visual. So we'll start working our way back here. Looks at about 9 1/4 is where this machine is getting reliable audio. That's at 7 inches.
Yep, and that's at 80 at about 8 inches.
Okay, so we're looking at about 7 to 7.5 inches to get a really good audio and visual confirmation. This will be the Clad quarter.
87 at about 2 inches.
Clad quarter at 2 inches.
88 at 4.
3 inches.
87 at 4.
Clad quarter at 4 inches.
88 at 4 inches.
Then we'll do Clad at 5.
86 at 6 inches.
Clad quarter at 6 inches.
87 at 6 inches.
Clad quarter at 7 inches.
That's better. 86 at 8 inches.
Clad quarter at 8 inches now.
86 at 8 inches.
Clad quarter at 9 inches.
82 at 10.
Now we'll go to 10 inches. Clad quarter at 10 inches.
No visual.
Okay, it was still giving us a high sounding audio, but no visual. That's at 10 inches. Clad quarter at 10 inches, no visual.
Oh, one visual came up. 80 at 10 plus.
Okay, so now we're going to go clad quarter at 11 inches. Occasional audio, no visual.
No visual.
Copper penny at 1 inch.
85 at 2 was the most reliable one.
Okay. Copper penny at 2 inches.
82 at 2 was where it was sticking at.
Copper penny at 3 inches.
81 at 4 inches.
Copper penny at 4 inches.
82 at 6 inches.
Copper penny at 5 inches.
82 at 6 inches.
Copper penny at 6 inches.
81 at 6 inches.
Copper penny at 7 inches.
81 at 8 inches.
Okay, here we go, 8 inches, copper penny.
'77 at 8 inches.
Copper penny at 9 inches.
Oh wait, 80 at 10.
Okay. Copper penny at 10 inches.
72 at 10 inches.
Copper penny at 11.
No visual.
Okay, it looks like 10 inches, 10.5 inches for a visual and audio. Okay, let's do a zinc penny. I'm going to do a zinc penny at 1 inch.
75 2 inches.
Zinc penny at 2 inches.
75 at 2 inches.
Zinc penny at 3 inches.
75 at 4.
Zinc penny at 4 inches.
75 at 4.
Zinc penny at 5 inches.
76, that popped up to 8, but it was staying around 6.
76, I'm sorry.
Huh.
Zinc penny at 6 inches.
75 at 6 inches.
Zinc penny at 7 inches.
75 at 8 inches.
Okay, here we go, 8 inches, zinc penny.
'74 at 8 inches.
Zinc penny at 9 inches.
'64 at 10 inches.
Zinc penny at 10 inches now.
No visual.
Okay, zinc penny at 10 inches, no visual, however it is giving an audio. Go to 11 inches. Now, nickel at 1 inch.
53 at 2.
Nickel at 2 inches.
52 at 2 inches.
Nickel at 3 inches.
53 at 2 inches.
Nickel at 4 inches.
52 at 4 inches.
Nickel at 5 inches.
50 at 6 inches.
And nickel at 6 inches.
53 at 6 inches.
Nickel at 7.
53 at 8 inches.
Okay, nickel at 8 inches.
47 at 8 inches.
Nickel at 9 inches.
53 at 10 inches.
Okay, here we go, nickel at 10 inches.
Came up for a little while. It was 45 at 8.
Okay. Nickel at 11 inches.
No visual.
Okay, no visual, but we are still getting audio. Try back to 12 inches. Nickel at 12 inches.
Nothing.
Okay, we're going to run the Silver Merc right next to an iron nail. See how this reads here. About 1 inch apart from each other. Okay.
.45 at 2 inches.
Okay, that was a silver dime and an iron nail at 3 inches. And this is silver and iron at 5 inches.
76 at 6 inches.
Now for our last target, it's going to be a rolled gold pretzel. Rolled gold pretzel, 1 inch. Nothing.
No, not even visual.
2 inches?
Still nothing.
3 inches?
Nope.
This AT-Pro sucks at finding rolled gold pretzels.